Here we go. This is what Zane said I wrote, but it has nothing to do with you, Mac. Shit. You be doing your thing and shit. I'm just about to give y'all some bars on Zane now. So, listen. Yeah, bitch. It's for you, Zane. I like how when I ask people if they know your name, they all don't know who you are, and your lines are always the same. You boys think you're famous, quit playing, y'all just on some lame shit. Then I heard your group is just a bunch of snitches. Now hold up, I ain't even finished, so don't either flinch or fucking blink, cause the get it in gang is gonna start shaking in this rap game. You get what I said, Mac, you diss my group. Here we come for yours, making hits all day, making dishes every other day. We don't really play, so you gonna murder somebody, let's see it. You won't do shit, I put that on native style. I like how I do all this for fun. Y'all motherfuckers are serious, but I tell you I ain't bluffing when I say we gonna run up in your crib and start spraying. You niggas are gonna start paying, cause your front is way past overdue. Looking like goof troops that don't know what to do. Shit, I'm straight cause my goons won't hesitate to spray. But don't forget I will spray too. Got killers ready to run up in your house, nigga. Everybody knows you snitch, so keep on to try and do your thing. Labeled as a bitch, Zane and Mac, you should just quit. Nothing against you, but you just diss my group. This is something I have to do. Y'all dissing each other, then why don't you go do what you say you're gonna do in your line? He always catching fines, but trying to climb at the same time. I'm trying to make the city mine. Sorry if I don't mind. I'll take that crown, cause I'm bringing that new sound. I pound on the beat, spit a couple rhymes, and people be like, yeah, keep on to do that shit. One day you might blow up. What? Anyways, here we go. It feels like I do more than I can, but then everything changes and I can't do anything. So here I come, man. I'm gonna spit a little freestyle so I don't even act wild on the beat. Bitch, I be doing this every day, so I'm getting better. I don't care what you say. Man, if you don't like how I spit my freestyle, you better not even watch, and you better just go watch something else. Cause I don't care if you don't like how I spit my shit. You better just keep stepping forward. I'm better. What? I fucked up at the end, but there we go.